Hello everyone! Ngayong araw, gagabayan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng Pecha Kucha presentation. First time mo bang marinig ang salitang Pecha Kucha? Well, huwag ka mag-alala dahil nandito tayo upang alamin ang Pecha Kucha, kung para saan ito at kung paano gumawa ng isang Pecha Kucha presentation. Ang Pecha Kucha ay galing sa salitang Hapones na may ibig sabihin na chit-chat. At ito ngayon ay sumikat dahil sa kakaibang pamamaraan ng storytelling. Gaya nga ng sinabi natin, para ka lamang nagkukwento rito, napakasimple, madaling maanyaya ang mga manonood, at base sa iyong tunay na karanasan. So paano nga ba ito gagawin? Tandaan lamang ang 20 by 20 na pamamaraan. Gagawa ka lamang ng 20 slides at 20 seconds per slide. Kung susumahin sa loob ng 6 minutes and 40 seconds, tapos mo na ang iyong presentation. Di ba madali lang? Kaya naman, maaari mo itong gamitin sa mga gusto mong i-share sa pamamaraang hindi na kailangan ng maraming text sa bawat slide. Dahil direkta ang paliwanag, mas madali mong maintindihan ang punto ng speaker. Saan pa ba ginagamit ang Pecha Kucha presentation? Ito ay kadalasan ngayong ginagamit sa mga PK nights at iba pang presentation platforms gaya ng TED Talks at TEDx. Ginagamit din ito for business presentations dahil gusto ng mga kliyente ng mabilis at hindi paligoy-ligoy na presentasyon. At kilala ngayon sa akademya dahil ito ay isang paraan upang mahasa ang galing ng mga mag-aaral sa pag-iisip, pananalita at teknolohiya. Tandaan, kailangan mo lamang maging malikhain, may salaysay sa nakikinig ang iyong kwento, at gawing makabuluhan at masaya ang activity na ito. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Simulan na natin! Ang una nating gagawin ay gumawa ng script. Ito ang magiging gabay natin sa buong presentasyon. Always remember to choose a topic or a situation you are passionate about. Dahil sabi nga natin, ang Pecha Kucha ay ang iyong kwento. Your passion will shine through when you present something close to your heart, ika nga. So once na nasettle na ang topic at ang puntong gusto mong i-share, isulat mo ito sa kahit anong papel or pwede mo ring i-type sa iyong computer, tulad dito. Tandaan, gawin lamang maikli at nasa 20 seconds ang bawat slide. Maaari mong lagyan ito ng number katulad nito. Step 2. Pick a unique angle. Think about what will surprise people or your audience. Maaari mo itong gawing formal, ngunit masayang presentasyon at maaari mo ring haluan ng kaunting biro. Step 3 is to design like a pro. In designing your script, make sure na magiging catchy ang iyong panimula. Consistent ang punto sa kalagitnaan at connected pa rin ang huliang bahagi ng script. Maaari mong haluan ng tanong o impormasyong makakarelate ang iyong audience. And always connect to the audience, ika nga. Step 4 is to outline your slides. Simulan mo nang gumawa ng 20 slides at lagyan ng mga larawang related sa presentation. Maaari kang gumamit ng PowerPoint presentation offline or kung wala kang internet, o pwede rin namang gumamit ka pero hindi sa pagiging bias ha. I recommend Canva in making your Pecha Kucha presentations. Paano nga ba gumawa ng design gamit ang Canva? Ganito yon. Pumunta ka lamang sa www.canva.com. Gamit ang Canva, maaari kang makagawa ng iba't ibang presentations, designs for social media, at iba pa. Dahil ang pakay natin ay gumawa ng presentation, i-click lamang ang presentation. Gamit ang education presentation as our keyword, Canva will provide you hundreds of ready-made templates. Ang dapat mo lang gawin ay pumili ng best para sa'yo and will suit your initial plan. Maaari ka ring mag-search ng iba pang keyword that will match your style. Dahil tingin ko ay mas bagay ang classic sa aking presentation, hahanap tayo ngayon ng formal na style. Ang daming magagandang template sa Canva na pagpipilian. Maaari mo pang dagdagan ng keyword upang mas specific ang ibibigay ni Canva na design. tingin ko ibabagay na itong kulay at tema. I-click lamang ang iyong napiling template and poof! Kompleto na ang layout ng iyong presentation. Ang gagawin mo na lang ay i-customize ang template ayon sa iyong script at pumili ng mga images at text na akma sa iyong presentation. Mayroon ding malawak na image resources ang Canva na libre mong magagamit tulad dito. All you have to do is go to Photos and type in the keyword you're searching. You can also drag the photo in the slide and place it in any style you want. You can change the text color, text size, style, and fit it with all the images you have used. Kung wala naman sa Canva ang kailangan mong imahe, maaari kang mag-upload dito at gamitin sa iyong presentation katulad nito. For each slide, pwede mong lagyan ng transitions and animation para mas maging catchy ang iyong presentation. At dahil 20 seconds lamang ang isang slide ng Pecha Kucha, maaari mong iset sa 20 seconds ang timing ng slides. Kung mayroon ka nang nagawang 20 slides at 20 seconds each slide, tulad nito, you can double check each slide and its effect on full screen using this button. Tumingin ka lamang doon sa lower right portion. So ayan, makikita mo na ang iyong presentation in full screen and all the transitions that you have included in it. And finally, step 5. Practice your presentation. Pwede ka nang mag-record gamit ang Canva. Simply click the 3 dots beside download here. Click present and record. Go to recording studio. At huwag kalimutang mag-set ng microphone at camera. And make sure that you are presentable too. Kung ready ka na, pindutin lamang ang start recording. Then after 3 seconds, makikita mo na ang sarili mo sa screen and automatic na nagre-record na ang iyong presentation. Remember, Pecha Kuchas require impeccable timing. In order to get your timing right for 20 seconds, you need to practice it in real time. Ito na yung pinaka-challenging part. In my experience, medyo napapahaba yung script ko, pero pwede namang bawasan, i-edit lang natin. So, practicing would really help you make your presentation perfect and deliver it with ease. Now, after recording, you may now download your Pecha Kucha presentation and automatically, the video file will be stored on your computer. Now, gusto mo ba ng isang sample? Sure! Ngunit, paalala, gagamit ako ng 20-second timer upang makita mo ang timing ng bawat slide. Gumamit din ako dito ng green screen, chrome effect, at ibang video editing tools upang matanggal ang aking background. At ang aking ipe-present ay related sa aking pinag-aaralan ngayon na teorya sa teknolohiya at kung paano ito nakakapekto sa ating progreso. Kung may comment ka and other suggestions, please do comment in the comment box below and I am very willing to reply and interact more with you. Thank you. So enjoy! Are you interested in buying new technologies such as iPads for teaching this coming school year? Well, hi! I am Daniel Ong. By the way, I'm not a salesman, but a teacher fascinated to experience the wide range of multi-touch features, but keeps on asking if these are worth it. From the free design applications to creating things to thousands of education apps in the application store explicitly designed for learning, new technology makes it even more engaging no matter what topic or task at hand. Truly, The capacity to reach more students effectively is unquestionably the most critical aspect of technology in education today. But even before looking at the history of distance education, technology already had a significant impact. It affected the way individuals communicate, learn, and think. However, some disagree as to how society affects technology and design. One of the most prevalent theories of technology and society is determinism, which is often split into technological and social determinism. Technological determinists believe that technology significantly influences society, not the other way around. They believe the community has a little choice as to which technologies evolve and instead must change the way it works, communicates, and behaves to suit the new technologies. Social determinists believe the opposite, that society and its values drive technological development. They hold that society always has option for how to use technology, how technology develop, and how it ultimately impacts the community. But how can we determine which really is the key mover? Let's try to look back on the purpose of why we want to buy an iPad. First, we want to deliver the context of the lesson to our learners, which serve as the pillar of the different education generations. In the first generation, technologies have been used to hone written and printed text power. Learning here is believed to happen by the behavioral changes instigated by learning stimuli, the message we want to convey in text. Second generation is called the multimedia model, which is based on print, audio, and video technologies. Society then needs a more effective way of delivering information in addition to print materials, like how we deliver messages. We'd like to broadcast them on different formats. Now here comes the third generation, which sees the importance of human interaction. The telelearning model, which provides opportunities for synchronous and asynchronous communication. Society had this turn of view to focus more on learning instead of teaching, a similar notion to social constructivist pedagogy. Fourth is the flexible learning model, which is known for the online delivery via the internet, where our DepEd's blended learning is based. Since telelearning was quite costly for an institution to adopt, the society innovates to connect the learner by technology to learning. And here comes the fifth, the intelligent flexible learning model, which is based on the interactive nature of the internet. This is built around network connections and based on the learner's ability to participate in network communities of their choice actively. For me, the true relationship between society and technology likely exists somewhere between the social and technological determinism. At times, society influences technological development, and that development goes on to influence society as what is seen in the evolution of education. Like what is happening today. There's now a boom in creating elements and other educational support for this new normal mode of learning. In the eyes of a technological determinist, the advancement of communication technologies occurs because the technology necessitates its progress and affects learning and teaching along the way. Teachers now have the drive to buy technologies to enhance their teaching further. Now, this is an indication that technology determines societal progress. But can this also mean that society creates innovation based on the need? The social construction of technology, or the SCOT, approaches it in a completely different way. We teachers demand for this technology to effectively promote collaborative learning because we had experience and know that it's not feasible to conduct face-to-face classes. Because of this external stimulus, the pandemic, it produces a gap now in the market system. Because of this gap, both the private and the public sectors now have a driving force to make innovation to address the growing problem of connecting to our students. So what dictates progress? Societal needs. Do you agree? Because of these needs, and we are in a capitalist society, capitalistic minds would want profit. Therefore, they take this as an advantage. Sounds striking, right? But that's how society works. Progress to technology means progress to society, and they are interchangeable naturally. They may differ in perspective, but their common ground, either method which level up first, both theories still have different paradigms, and both ultimately lead to progress. So when we re-examine the question, is technology worth investing? We may realize that it is the wrong question because it doesn't matter if our technology is outdated or produced years ago. Let us remember our past generation, how they managed to fulfill their purpose of educating even in a distance. Thank you.